Do you know that for YouTube to suggest your videos, for your videos to be among the list of suggested videos on YouTube, it is something that you can do, and it is something that you are actually in charge of. Let me tell you this: for your videos to appear in the list of suggested videos on the home page of Facebook, here are a few settings you need to fix on your YouTube channel. The first is the creation of a playlist. Every channel you create needs a playlist. You need to create a playlist for your channel because a playlist talking about a compilation of videos that are on a particular subject matter. One of the advantage of a playlist is this: it keeps your viewers watching. And what advantage does that give to a channel? One, more watch time, and it keeps your viewers hooked up to your channel. So these settings I'm going to be talking about, I'm also going to be creating a practical video on this. All I want you to do is just to stay hooked up, stay tuned to this particular channel in order for you not to miss any of these exciting tips. The next, after the creation of a playlist, is optimization of your title. You could optimize your title using ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT, give ChatGPT a command about the subject matter you want to talk about. Like typing something like, "Hello ChatGPT, I want to create a video on my YouTube channel that teaches my viewers how to get more views. Create a title, create a description," or you could just rephrase it this way. You could say, "Create a title that is engaging, SEO friendly, include a description," and you now tell ChatGPT the number of hashtags you want. Preferably, I will advise you not to use more than 5 hashtags. So by doing that, ChatGPT will give you the answer. It will give you a title. You copy the title and paste. Copy the description as well as the hashtag and paste. Then remove all other irrelevant text. Then also tell ChatGPT to suggest maybe like 10 or 15 tags. Most times you are not advised to use more than 15 tags for your video. So ChatGPT will suggest either 10 or 15 tags as required by you. And then if you have 2 mobile devices, you could log into your YouTube studio and put in these tags that ChatGPT gave to you. By doing this, you've optimized your title, your description, your hashtags, and your tags. The next that follows this is the creation of your end screen. What is an end screen? An end screen is that last video or something that pops up at the end of every video on YouTube. When you watch the videos of an average YouTuber or some of these big channels, you will notice that at the end of every video there are things that pop up. They will be giving you a list of suggested videos or playlists to watch further on that particular channel. So those are the things we call end screen. One at the far left hand corner, one at the that's top right hand corner, one at the top left hand corner, the other at the bottom left hand corner, and the other at the bottom right hand corner. Alright, so the first at the right top hand corner is telling you of recent videos, while the other at the top right hand corner is telling you of maybe like suggest related video in that channel. while the one at the bottom left hand corner is telling you about a channel, while the one at the right bottom right hand corner is telling you about a channel. Alright, so it will give you a list, a particular channel to subscribe to. After you've created your end screen, the next thing to create is after your end screen, you have your cards. What is a card? Card and end screen, they work side by side and they work together. So if you notice when you are watching a video on YouTube, you'll notice something pop up. Just like you are watching this video now, you'll notice some things are popping up, particularly on the top right hand corner, which is this place here. You see them pop up. I'll give you a list of give you a playlist to either go and watch, or a related video to go and watch. So it pops up on the top right hand corner as your cards. So the card is very, very important, just like your end screen. And you can't just do one and leave the other. It is most time advisable that you carry out each of these functions. Then all is under optimization. Practically, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do every one of these individually, starting from the creation of a playlist to how to put in your end screen, how to create your cards, how to properly optimize your titles. I'm also going to be giving you a practical example using ChatGPT or Meta AI. Alright, if you notice, if you've done this, there's no how YouTube is not going to suggest your content. So by doing this, you notice YouTube begin to suggest your content to YouTubers, or your content now be in the home page of YouTube. So if you are having no views, no watch hour, no subscribers, and you are encountering a bit of a downturn on your channel, just try these few tips I gave to you, and you will come and thank me later. It starts with the creation of your title, then optimization of your hashtags. Let me tell you something, your hashtag should be related to the topic that you are talking about. And recently, I often see location. YouTube also wants to know your location in order to know how to suggest your video to people around. Then let me tell you something, the Bible says, from Jerusalem to the uttermost part of the earth. Alright, if anything must go far, it has to first of all go around the community or the vicinity where that thing is, then it will be pushed further. That is how the YouTube algorithm works. So by doing this, you'll notice a reasonable increase in your views, in your subscribers, and in your watch time. Thank you for watching this video. This is Learn with Peter, and I am Peter, the creator. So stay tuned, keep your fingers crossed for my videos, and join me in this growth journey. Let's orient ourselves on how to grow on YouTube and other social media platforms. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.